guys, this is Abby from Forex XL team. Today we want to talk about supply with smart money concepts. So supply zone is the area of consolidation that comes before an impulsive move towards the downside. It is also act as resistance when price action pushes up into them for the downside. We want to talk the two types of supply zone. One is the supply zone in a pro trend structure, and the other one is in a reversal structure. So in pro trend, the price goes like this. So when it is in the bearish zone, the market provides lower lows and lower highs. So this is the higher price of the market. Lower high, so the pro trend means the bearish price continues to go to the downside. So it is important to always look for a bearish trend. So with the lower high and the lower low on the higher time frame, it's recommended to see it in 1 hour or 4-hour time frame. So this is the structure of a bearish pro trend, where you can see a supply zone. So here in our chart example, in AUD USD at 1 hour time frame, you can see the bearish structure where there's a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high, and lower low. So a pro trend structure is where the price broke the previous low and there's a supply created, and the price came back on that supply area and respected it. So as you can see here, this bearish move broke the previous structure and continues to the downside. There's a supply created here in this zone. It is clearer in the lower time frame, and the price respected it and dove to the downside. So as you can see, it also broke this structure and created lower low. So it is obvious that this is an equal lows where liquidity resides below it. We can talk about liquidity on our next sessions, but now we can focus on supply in smart money concepts. So as you can notice here, so a supply has created in this area where this is a app candle, this one. This is the last app candle that caused the break. So as you can see here, the price came back on the zone, on the supply zone, and then creates a bearish move and breaks this previous structure to the downside. So it is recommended to check confirmation at lower time frame. So when we try to check this at lower time frames, like for example in 5-minute chart, so you may see a much clearer structure, bearish structure here, where there's a supply created within the lower time frame. So we can try to re-enter in this area, and then it is more or less risk than when you try to set your sell limit here, although it is more recommended to check the confirmations at lower time frames, like in 5-minute down to 1-minute time zone.